Want to buy XRP using Coinbase? I'll show you the exact steps so you can grab Ripple safely and quickly on the app. First, open your Coinbase app and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, download the app, sign up, and complete identity verification. It only takes a few minutes. Next, make sure you have money in your account. Tap on Add Cash. Choose your payment method like bank account, debit card, or PayPal, and deposit the amount you want to use for buying XRP. Now, tap the search icon and type XRP. Select it from the list and you'll see the current price chart along with the buy, sell, and trade options. Tap buy, enter the amount of XRP you want to purchase, and double check your payment method. Then tap preview buy to review the details, including Coinbase small fee. If everything looks good, hit buy now. Your XRP will now show up in your Coinbase portfolio instantly. You can hold it, sell it later, or transfer it to another crypto wallet if you want more control. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've just bought XRP on Coinbase. Trade smart and only invest what you can afford.